How to use VirtualStaff Attendance Monitoring Tool. The Attendance Monitoring Tool on VirtualStaff helps you track your work hours accurately, ensuring transparency and smooth payment processing. Follow these steps to log your attendance and submit hours for approval. Step 1. Access the time tracker. Log into your VirtualStaff account. Navigate to the attendance tracking section. Use the time tracker to record your work sessions. Step 2. Log your work hours. Start tracking your time while working to ensure accurate records. Make sure your logged hours align with your employer's expectations. Click the Save button to store your recorded work hours. Step 3. Submit work hours for employer approval. Once your work hours are logged, click on the Submit for Approval button. Your employer will review and approve the recorded hours. Regular tracking and timely submission help prevent payment disputes. By using the attendance monitoring tool effectively, you ensure accurate work tracking, maintain transparency with your employer, and streamline salary processing. Thank you, and welcome to VirtualStaff.ph, the smarter way to build a team in the Philippines. Hiring, payroll, and compliance in one platform.